Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to set up fingerprints for the Redmi 15C. Basically, you want to head over to the settings of the Redmi 15C, and then from the settings you want to scroll all the way down until you get to fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Go ahead and select that, and then from over here, to set up the fingerprint, you have to make sure that screen lock is already set up and turned on. So if you have your screen lock already turned on and set up, you can just go ahead and set up the fingerprint. But if yours is still turned off, you want to first of all select on the screen lock, then proceed to select whether you want a pattern, pin or a password for the screen lock of your Redmi 15C. In my case, I want a pattern, so I will go ahead and select pattern. At the bottom, you're going to see this countdown. Just allow it finish, and then you can click on the got it button. Proceed to enter your password, pin or pattern. In my case, it is a pattern, so I will enter it, and then you want to confirm your password, pin or pattern one more time. Once you're done, you want to click on the confirm button over here and then click on add. So basically, we are now on the fingerprint setup process. All you just want to do now is to add your desired finger to the power button, which also serves as the fingerprint scanner. So you just want to add it just like so, and it will automatically start capturing your finger. You want to make sure you place your finger in different sides so that it can actually capture every side of your finger. As you can see, I'm trying to place every part of my finger. And once it is done, you're going to get this check button. All you just have to do now is to click on the done button over here. You can go ahead and add another finger if you want. And once you're done, if you lock your Redmi 15C now, then try to open it up with your finger. It should actually open up without any problem. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.